Today we're going to be going to the Lexington Cars and Coffee, and this is the first one that I've been to in Lexington. So we're going to be taking the 2021 Chevy Camaro. Enjoy some footage. I did get an industrial GoPro mount. I'm planning on putting it right here, I think, for the first bit of the video. I'm going to be driving to a gas station, meeting up with friends. Courtney, she has a 5.0 California special, and we're going to be meeting up with them. Tanner's going to ride with me. Nick's going to ride with her. And we're going to head up to Lexington Cars and Coffees.
Show me that I don't need somebody. I only need myself, now it's just me. I'm gonna be free, be free. I'm free. You show me that I don't need somebody. I only need myself, now it's just me. I'm gonna be free, be free. Till the sunrise, we always have a good time. Finding love and let in disaster. No such thing as happily ever after. Love and let in disaster, disaster. But now I'm free. You show me that I don't need somebody. I only need myself, now it's just me. I'm gonna be free, be free.
Oh, yeah. Almost bought one of those.
I was gonna ask, do you still like the Camaro? Do you wish you would have gotten a Vette instead?
I do like the Camaro, but I probably would have been more satisfied
See,
with it.
I would get one like that. I love that burnt orange on there.
Well, I'm going to be wrapping my Camaro, not that orange, but like Lambo orange.
Oh yeah, that's right. You're not doing the blue anymore.
No, I like the I like the brighter orange.
No.
You like the brighter orange Corvette?
I actually got rid of my C6 and all that. I'm looking to buy a house. So I decided
there's a little
that's
Lotus.
the best way to get a house.
Little tiny Lotus. Black one. Freaking chilly.
It's a little brisk. Kind of kills the hangover.
The Mustang.
Oh yeah.
We got some pretty good jokes on TikTok.
Oh, we gotta go down the Jeep aisle. The Jeep aisle.
So far.
That wind. As I step off the
You're about to do somebody.
Get ready to pull out the old basketball skills. Little rust comes off the kneecaps.
You do that here. About to break that knee. Fucking snap.
The right knee.
Dude, I haven't been one fucking.
Oh, that is thick.
Most of these rims cheap up here since he got the lift kit on the wheels put on.
That tail one down there is.
No noise.
You know what I was looking at the other night? I found one in Richmond, the BMW i8. The hybrid.
There's one over there.
I love them. They look cool as fuck.
I'm about to start doing jumping
Stop
jacks.
standing in it. It's cold.
Listen, I'm trying to let y'all do your thing.
I'm just walking, brother. Oh, look at that old Humvee right here. Oh, yeah.
Cynthia had a lot of runs.
Tanner was talking about the Nashville thing. Down there with the
That
car.
sounds mean. What?
Tanner was talking about going to Nashville and renting one.
Oh,
If I don't buy one,
Do it. Do it.
two C5s. Very nice, very nice. There's another one. C5s everywhere. They're only like 12 grand. You know that?
Really?
Yeah. I've seen a black one. It was like, it wasn't in the best shape. Like you'd have to paint or wrap it or stuff. But it was like 12. That's a big rim, boy.
Jesus Christ.
It's Liberty Forged, son. Subi. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I think I just like the bunch of
Supercharged. I mean, there you go, Nick.
I know, nice. I didn't see it when we drove by.
Oh,
I don't know. But yeah, like red or white. BMW always goes for blue. Yeah, I want the blue. Because like the trim on the side is like go by in there. They're not, are they?
they're gonna quit making them too, I reckon.
Are they?
Like what?
They're gonna quit making these, I think. Very nice, very nice.
They're nice.
Clean. C7s. That's scary.
$40 for celebration.
Probably.
Over and look.
Let's go look at the tuners. This is what you like, ain't it? Yeah. Oh, that's clean. That's clean.
Yeah, I saw that. Mine's black.
Here's the black.
It's a Stinger.
I will put things black.
Is yours the one that's 302?
GT350. Uh-oh, Tanner. We can do a good walk around. They sold that one at that
Isn't that what you want right there?
Chevy dealership. I do like the dark blue and red pen.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice.
I'm really gonna. I've been looking at them literally every night this week. The white 886.
We got a Camry. Bam! Anything higher than 80? No.
Cameron's a Tesla.
That's so, like, no. 60,000 for a Tesla?
There's
No, no,
two.
no.
You get a used one.
If it went down,
45,
Oh,
but still, even then, that's
no.
still high.
maybe like 25, yeah.
Yeah. No, they're so high.
The kid on. There you go, Nick. Is that a Corolla?
You know what I haven't seen here, though? I haven't seen any 370Zs with a rocket bunny on it.
Hey, it's Brian O'Connor. Oh, dude, it is the exact same. There's a step up from mine.
That's the question. Friends in high places.
That's who cuts your Oh, the Avora? That's over on.
There's my baby. Oh no. Four-wheel drive don't work.
Hey, it'd be fun to drive up there. That's not it.
I bought a rear bumper off that guy.
Is that the same guy?
Yeah. When I had the old Mopar. Now, you know, I got a LS.
Like the LS one.
Yes. Me too. What? Very
Either
nice.
the Jaguar or Ford. Who bought it?
Somebody's son has affiliation to Floyd.
He went
That's
straight
actually
up with
bigger.
It. He's like, where is it?
I couldn't see it.
Where is it?
Here it comes, little speck coming
You
in.
can't hear it?
I could see it. I could see it over to almost Eastern's campus.
I could.
It's just one little black,
little black dot.
You can see it coming. And he's like,
Where's it at? Where's it
yeah,
at?
that's what
I
he
couldn't
kept saying.
see
He
it.
said, I can see it on here, but I
Put
don't
your
know what it
glasses
was.
on, Chief. God.
Contacts.
I'll get new ones.
Let's go get it.
I like the
If one of us runs fast enough and gets hit, then we can all afford
Wait. She said, knock it off, bitch. Well. It's like, it's been a successful day.
I think they have the same exhaust.
I just don't think that looks good. I don't like that yellow Mustang. I don't like that yellow. I like a dark mustard yellow.
The Mustang I am.
It is. I like that there's only 3 red ones now
Yep.
on the end.
Except for these. So nice.
Oh, we're getting the big Mustang. Go fire yours up.
Alright, all the Mustangs are leaving. Time to go.
What's that say?
Like, and I'm gonna try to sweet talk my dad. My eldest daughter to like get it put on.
Getting a badge.
the day.
Welcome back, guys. We are back home. Cars and Coffee was a success. I'm super tired. It is now like 8 o'clock in the evening. I have not ate dinner yet. I'm hungry. I went to see my dad and stuff after. Anyway, I got new garage lights, as you can see. Amazon. I tried to get as much footage as I could. Didn't really want to talk a lot. I'll just have a lot of music in the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Cars and Coffee. It is March. That was March's first Cars and Coffee in Kentucky. They have at least one every month. I plan on going to many of them if possible. I'm gonna go eat, and hope you guys enjoyed the video, and be sure to subscribe and like, please. It helps me out. It helps the channel out. Let's grow the channel. I think I'm only at like 62 subscribers or something like that, so let's get that number up.